Hi everybody, this is Drake and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Another option for a hotel to stay in Albuquerque is Isleta Hotel and Resort and Casino. It's about 9 miles away from the airport. The speed limit on the road is 65 and 75 miles an hour, so you can get there very, very fast. Let's go! OMG. Bonita. The rooms are great. I like the beds, they're soft. I also like the decor of the rooms. Again, in Albuquerque and New Mexico, we're into art and native art, and Isleta has really gone up above and beyond, wanting to show their patrons what is available out there. Day spa. The day spa is very nice and has a steam room, hot tubs. You can also have massage. They give you cucumber water and granola. There's also a place as far as for getting all of your lotions, and you can really pamper yourself, and it's really, really nice. Bueno. Lobby is filled with art from not only their pueblo, but other surrounding pueblos as well. From Taos and Jemez, you name it. Very, very nice. all good. There's also a golf course. The golf course, I've heard, is great, and they keep up on it. I know it's a desert, but we still are able to grow grass, which is really, really cool. And golf is very big out here. There are also 2 bars. One of the bars has a dance floor, and a lot of times during the week are having live bands playing. Another bar, just to sit back and relax, maybe enjoy a beer or have a bourbon or a martini. There's also events that go on. There is a huge auditorium where they've done everything from having UFC fights or UFC type fights of mixed martial arts to boxing to having concerts. The venue of artists that come out here who play on the casino circuit is a wide variety, and certainly a lot of names that you'll recognize. The other pool is located in the same area, but this pool is unique in that there's an inside and there's almost like a garage door that they lift up, and it'll go into the outside. So you can swim from inside to outside. We're always worried about weather out here. I know it sounds crazy about having rain, but it does rain out here and we get lightning storms. That's all crazy. And it'd be nice to stay inside and not have to worry about that. There's a huge foyer so that you can pull up a car. You also have valet. It's a full service. Everybody there is awesome and already smiling and ready to help you and enjoying your stay in Albuquerque. The access to the casino, to the highway, to get you where you want to go to other parts of the state, it's really, really close. So you can be on I-25 in 2 or 3 minutes and be on your way exploring all these great things to see in our state. They have a fun zone that's for kids and teenagers, so anybody who's not of age to gamble, they can go over. They have a bowling alley, pool tables, arcades, stand-up machines, so that's a lot of fun as far as for the kids.